Good evening, YouTube viewers and subscribers. Ray, this is your box of engines that you sent to me from a friend of yours that needs them looked at and repaired possibly. So I'm going to open them up and take an initial real quick inspection. I believe there are 4 engines in here. Okay, so there's a note explaining what's going on with them. Let's see what all we've got in here. Excellent packing, that's for sure. Let's pull this one out. I'm going to go ahead and move this off to the side and pull these engines out one by one. First one is a beautiful looking OS FS90. Seeing as I move the box out of the way, let me zoom in here a bit more. Ooh, completely locked up. Looks to be in pretty decent shape, other than the fact that it's gummy and locked up. Let's see if we can get in here and see the top of that piston at all. I'm not seeing anything there. Okay, so that one's definitely going to need some heat and a little bit of oil if I can put any in there. First off, this is an Enya 4-stroke, Enya 60. Another fine engine from the past. So that is just loose, it's not rotating the throttle. The throttle barrel is stuck. This engine does turn over and it has good compression. So this could just need a cleanup. So let's see what we've got next. Next, oh, nice. Another Enya. Enya 120. This is not an R120, this is just a standard Enya 120 with an enclosed new throttle arm because this one's missing. Frozen up. Overall, very good condition. Oh yeah, this engine is tight as a drum too. Okay. It's nice. Let's check this last engine. See what we've got here. Oh, a Sato. Wow. A really dirty Sato. This is going to be a fun one because I want to make sure I get some before and after pictures for sure of this Sato 45 because I want you all to take a very good close look at the condition and outer condition of this crankcase because once this goes through the ultrasonic cleaner, it will look much different. Now this is a pretty old one. It looks like the throttle barrel moves. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Has some compression and it turns over freely. So very nice. So these are the engines, customer engines, not my engines, customer engines that I'll be working on to get repaired and running and get back to my awesome friend and customer, Ray. So there you go, Ray. Here's the initial inspection. These look like pretty nice specimens. They're going to require a little bit of effort, but that's the fun of it. Thank you, Ray.